Imagine a time when 120 miles per hour was almost unbelievable. In 1950, one car shocked the entire automotive world, the Jaguar XK120 Alloy Roadster. This was not a truck, not a Jeep. This was speed, beauty, and British engineering combined. The Jaguar XK120 is one of the most legendary classic sports cars ever made. Introduced just after World War II, this car helped Jaguar rise from a luxury brand to a global performance icon. And today, we are looking at the rare alloy-bodied 1950 Jaguar XK120, a dream car for collectors. What kind of vehicle is this? Let's clear one thing first. This is not a Jeep, and not a truck. The Jaguar XK120 is a two-seat sports car, designed purely for speed, style, and performance. It was built to compete with the best European sports cars of its time. Why is it called XK120? The name, XK120, comes from its top speed. 120 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car in the world when it was launched. That speed shocked America and Europe alike. The rare alloy body. Early XK120 models were made with hand-formed aluminum alloy bodies. These cars were lighter, faster, and extremely rare. Only a small number were built before Jaguar switched to steel bodies to reduce costs. That's why alloy XK120s are among the most valuable Jaguars today. Engine and performance. Under the hood sits a 3.4-liter inline-six XK engine. It produced around 160 horsepower, which was massive for the 1950s. Paired with a manual transmission, this car delivered smooth power and thrilling acceleration. Even today, the engine is considered one of the greatest classic motors ever built. Interior and design. Inside, the XK120 is simple yet elegant. Leather seats, wooden dashboard, classic gauges, everything feels handcrafted. The long hood, flowing fenders, and open roadster design make this car timelessly beautiful. This is not just a car, it's rolling art. Was it popular in America? Yes, very much. The United States became Jaguar's biggest market for the XK120. Hollywood stars, racers, and wealthy collectors in America loved this car. Many alloy XK120s were exported to the US and are still restored there today. Restoration value. Restoring an alloy XK120 is extremely expensive and time-consuming. Original aluminum panels, correct parts, and engine matching numbers are critical. A fully restored alloy XK120 can be worth hundreds of thousands, even over $1 million at auctions. That's why collectors treat it like gold. Legacy of the XK120. The XK120 laid the foundation for future Jaguar legends like the XK140, XK150, and the iconic E-Type. Without this car, Jaguar's racing success and global fame might never have happened. Closing. The 1950 Jaguar XK120 Alloy Roadster is more than a classic car. It's a symbol of speed, innovation, and post-war automotive passion. If you love rare classic cars and legendary restorations, this Jaguar deserves your respect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Which classic car should we cover next?